The verdict is in on the Gillette heated razor. Is it a keeper or am I returning it? We'll talk about that, just my overall experience in this video, coming right up. Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. And yes, the decision is in. The verdict is in if I'm gonna keep this heated razor, and I'll share that with you in just a moment. I did pay for this. This was not sent to me. I will put a link in the description as well down below where you can see what other people have to say about it, and if it makes sense, you can order it. Now, here's the verdict. You ready? Drum roll. I am keeping it. Yes, I am definitely keeping it. I love it. It is fantastic. I even did a comparison to my favorite razor, which is the Gillette Fusion Pro Glide razor. In fact, I had just bought blades, which I'm gonna have to return now because I then said, you know what, I really should try this. And that's what got me going and thinking about it after I said, I need new blades. And then I started seeing this more, and it really is a great experience. I'll share more with that in just a minute. Let me just share with you as far as, let's talk about the handle. This is an aluminum zinc handle, feels really good in the hand. It's got a nice rubberized grip. Did not have any issues when shaving where I turned the power off, no issues at all. And that heated plate is fantastic. Now, as far as charging, this is the charger. It is weighted, and what's interesting, by the way, there is brawn that is on there that makes the plug. And then, by the way, nice packaging by Gillette. So this just sits on the stand very well like this, and once it's done charging, so after you shave and you know you need to recharge it, just put on there. It took about a couple of hours, but so you do it just in between charges. So I got 6 shaves out of the handle, and when I was shaving, it started flashing right there in the middle to let me know I needed to charge it back up, so which was great. Now, as far as the heat settings, there's 2 heat settings to this. There's a low, which is 109 degrees Fahrenheit, and then there's a high, which is 122. So the way that works is you're gonna press the button once, that turns it on. It flashes a few times to let you know it's on. This is the low setting. To change to the high setting, you press and hold the button in, and now it is on the high temperature, that's 122. I stayed with the high temperature the entire time, by the way, and then to turn it off, you press that, and that turns it off, and you feel that plate right away. It's interesting, when you turn it on, you feel it right away. When you turn it off, it cools down very quickly. And one of the things that I did as well when I did one day that I did doing half of my face with the heated razor and half with the Pro Glide Power Glide razor, and I thought this was a great shave. This just takes it to a whole nother level. I felt like it was a smoother shave than using the Pro Glide razor. I did run the hot water under it often just to, you know, have that heated razor feel, but it's nice when this is on. I do find when I shave slower with this, I feel that heated bar even more. And I love how it pivots side to side, just like the Pro Glide does, and it goes up and down, side to side, and then you have your trimmer. To take the blade off and replace it, you just push that up, and you can see there is that heated bar, and then this just locks in place. Now, what I do to extend the life, because I know some people say, well, the blades are so expensive. What you do, make sure to completely dry your razor after and the blade thoroughly, whether it's a blow dryer with your towel. And then I also use a UV lighting product, as you can see here, that I use it with my toothbrush as well. And that not only sanitizes it, but it also uses a heated process to keep the blade lasting longer. And you'd be surprised, you're gonna get many more months out of a blade than you think. But even when I noticed too, when I turned the heat off, just this metal bar, it just really made the experience just so great. It really has exceeded my expectations. It is expensive, but I love it. You know, I hope it lasts for a long time, and maybe they'll come out with a newer version at some point. But Gillette definitely hit a home run with this. It really is fantastic. Great shave, great experience. Would love to see how it's worked for you. And you know, down the road, as I think about some more things just to share about the product, I definitely will. But this is my new go-to razor. And if you travel, just know that you're gonna get 6 shaves out of this. And if you can, you know, spread it out, then you should have no problem that you wouldn't have to worry about charging it up until you get back from your trip. And there you go. So let me know, again, if you have any questions, and I'd love to see any feedback you have. Please leave any comments below. Gillette, great job, love it. I'm even more excited about shaving now, and definitely it takes the experience to another level. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much. Enjoy your shaving. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.